Managing diabetes starts with making the right dietary choices. But did you know some seemingly healthy vegetables can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels? In this video, we're uncovering the top 7 worst vegetables for diabetics you should avoid, and you might be surprised by what's on the list. Staying informed is key to better health, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you're ready to take control of your diabetes with practical tips and advice, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our health-focused content. Let's dive in. Number 1. Corn. Corn is a staple in many diets around the world and is often seen as a healthy vegetable thanks to its natural sweetness and versatility. From corn on the cob at summer barbecues to popcorn at the movies, this vegetable is beloved by many. However, for diabetics, corn can present significant challenges. The main issue lies in its high carbohydrate and starch content. Corn contains a substantial amount of carbohydrates that are quickly broken down into glucose by the body. This rapid conversion can cause blood sugar levels to spike, which is especially problematic for individuals managing diabetes. Even a medium-sized ear of corn can contain as much as 27 grams of carbohydrates, which can rival the carb content of a slice of bread. Corn also has a moderate glycemic index score of around 52, which increases when it's processed or cooked in certain ways. Foods with a higher GI score can lead to quicker blood sugar spikes, making them less ideal for maintaining stable glucose levels. Corn-based products like tortillas, chips, and cornbread have even higher GI scores and should be consumed with caution. For diabetics who love corn, moderation is key. Pairing corn with protein or fiber-rich foods can help slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, minimizing its impact on blood sugar. If you're looking for a lower-carb alternative, consider non-starchy vegetables like cauliflower or zucchini. While corn isn't entirely off-limits, being mindful of portion sizes and how it's prepared can make all the difference in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Number 2. Potatoes. Potatoes are a comfort food staple found in many diets worldwide, from creamy mashed potatoes to crispy French fries. While undeniably delicious and versatile, potatoes pose significant challenges for individuals with diabetes. Their high carbohydrate content can quickly cause blood sugar spikes, making them a food diabetics should approach with caution. One medium-sized potato contains about 37 grams of carbohydrates, which is comparable to eating several slices of bread. The carbohydrates in potatoes are primarily starch, which the body breaks down into glucose. This process happens rapidly, especially with preparations like mashed or fried potatoes, leading to a swift rise in blood sugar levels. Potatoes also have a high glycemic index, ranging from 70 to 90 depending on the preparation method. Foods with a high GI cause more significant and faster spikes in blood sugar compared to those with a low GI. Cooking methods also impact how potatoes affect blood sugar. Baked, fried, or boiled potatoes often result in higher glucose spikes than alternatives like roasted or chilled potatoes. Interestingly, when potatoes are cooked and cooled, they form resistant starch, a type of fiber that slows down digestion and minimizes glucose spikes. For diabetics, the key is moderation and preparation. Swapping regular potatoes for sweet potatoes, which have a lower glycemic load, is a great option. Alternatively, consider replacing potatoes with non-starchy vegetables like cauliflower, which can be mashed or roasted to mimic the texture of potatoes. While potatoes may not need to be entirely eliminated, managing portion sizes and choosing healthier substitutes can help maintain better blood sugar control. Number 3. Peas. Peas are often celebrated as a nutrient-rich addition to meals, thanks to their fiber, vitamins, and minerals. However, while peas may seem like a healthy choice, they can be less friendly to individuals managing diabetes. Their natural sweetness and relatively high carbohydrate content make them a vegetable diabetics should consume with caution. 1 cup of green peas contains approximately 21 grams of carbohydrates, including about 8 grams of natural sugars. While peas have a lower glycemic index compared to some starchy vegetables like potatoes, their GI still falls into the moderate range, around 50. This means that consuming peas in large quantities can lead to a gradual but noticeable rise in blood sugar levels. Additionally, Peas are higher in calories than many other non-starchy vegetables, which can be a concern for diabetics trying to maintain a healthy weight. Despite these drawbacks, peas do offer some benefits. They are rich in dietary fiber, which can help slow down digestion and minimize rapid blood sugar spikes. The protein content in peas also contributes to satiety, making them a good option for reducing overall calorie consumption if eaten in moderation. For diabetics, portion control is essential when it comes to peas. Opt for small servings and pair them with other low-carb, high-fiber vegetables like spinach or zucchini to create a more balanced meal. Alternatively, consider snow peas or snap peas, which have a slightly lower carb content and can be enjoyed raw or lightly cooked. While peas can still be part of a healthy diabetic diet, mindful consumption is key to preventing unwanted blood sugar fluctuations. Number 4. Cooked carrots. Carrots are widely regarded as a healthy and versatile vegetable, often included in salads, soups, and stir-fries. Raw carrots, in particular, are a great low-carb snack that's high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. However, the story changes significantly when carrots are cooked, especially for those managing diabetes. The process of cooking carrots breaks down their natural fibers, which slows the absorption of carbohydrates in their raw form. As a result, the glycemic index of carrots increases when they're cooked. While raw carrots have a glycemic index of approximately 16, cooked carrots can reach a glycemic index of 35 to 49, depending on how they're prepared. This means that cooked carrots can cause a more significant rise in blood sugar levels compared to their raw counterparts. Despite this, cooked carrots are not as problematic as some other starchy vegetables like potatoes or corn, as their overall carbohydrate content is still relatively low. 1 cup of cooked carrots contains about 12 grams of carbohydrates, making them a moderate choice for diabetics if consumed in the right portions. Additionally, cooked carrots offer other health benefits, including being a rich source of beta-carotene, which is essential for eye health and immunity. For diabetics, the key to enjoying cooked carrots lies in moderation and pairing. Combine them with a source of protein or healthy fat, such as grilled chicken or olive oil, to slow the absorption of sugars. You can also opt for steaming or roasting over boiling, as these methods help preserve nutrients without overly raising the glycemic index. While cooked carrots can remain part of a diabetic-friendly diet, portion control and preparation methods are critical to keeping blood sugar levels stable. Number 5. Beets. Beets are celebrated for their vibrant color, earthy flavor, and numerous health benefits, including being rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're particularly known for their high levels of nitrates, which can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. However, for diabetics, beets come with a caveat. They are naturally sweet and contain more sugar than many other vegetables. 1 cup of raw beets contains about 13 grams of carbohydrates, including approximately 9 grams of natural sugar. While their glycemic index is moderate, ranging between 61 and 64, their glycemic load is relatively low, meaning they have a smaller impact on blood sugar levels when eaten in moderation. However, when consumed in larger portions or paired with other high-carb foods, beets can contribute to a rise in blood sugar, making them a less ideal choice for those managing diabetes. Cooking beets can amplify their natural sweetness, further increasing their appeal, but also their potential to cause blood sugar spikes. This is especially true in dishes where beets are roasted or pureed, which breaks down their fibers and makes the sugars more readily available. For diabetics, the key to enjoying beets is portion control and strategic pairing. A small serving of beets can be part of a balanced meal, especially when combined with low-carb vegetables and a source of protein, such as a salad with spinach, grilled chicken, and a light vinaigrette. Alternatively, try incorporating beets into smoothies or soups in small amounts to retain their nutritional benefits without overloading on carbs. Beets are undoubtedly nutritious, but their sugar content means they must be consumed mindfully. By keeping portions small and combining them with diabetes-friendly foods, you can still enjoy this colorful vegetable without compromising your blood sugar levels. Number 6. Butternut Squash. Butternut squash is a popular vegetable during the colder months, loved for its creamy texture and naturally sweet flavor. It's often used in soups, roasted dishes, and casseroles, making it a versatile choice for many recipes. While it's packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, potassium and fiber, butternut squash also comes with a downside for diabetics: its high carbohydrate content. 1 cup of cooked butternut squash contains around 22 grams of carbohydrates, including 4 grams of natural sugar. This carbohydrate load can quickly add up, especially when paired with other carb-heavy ingredients. Additionally, its glycemic index ranges from moderate to high, depending on how it's prepared, meaning it can cause a more rapid rise in blood sugar levels compared to other non-starchy vegetables. Despite these challenges, butternut squash has some redeeming qualities for diabetics when consumed in moderation. Its fiber content helps slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, which can prevent dramatic blood sugar spikes. Moreover, the rich nutrient profile of butternut squash makes it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. To make butternut squash more diabetes-friendly, focus on portion control and preparation methods. Roasting it with a drizzle of olive oil and herbs, rather than pureeing it into soups or combining it with sweeteners, can help keep the glycemic impact lower. Pair it with lean proteins, like grilled chicken or fish, and low-carb vegetables to create a meal that supports stable blood sugar levels. While butternut squash can be enjoyed as part of a diabetic diet, it's essential to be mindful of portions and how it's served. When eaten in the right amounts and paired with the right foods, it can still be a comforting and nutritious choice. Number 7. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a beloved vegetable, especially during the fall season, when it's featured in everything from soups and roasted dishes to pies and lattes. Known for its vibrant orange color, pumpkin is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which supports eye health and immunity. However, for diabetics, pumpkin's natural sweetness and carbohydrate content make it a vegetable to enjoy with caution. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin contains around 12 grams of carbohydrates, with about 4 grams of natural sugar. Its glycemic index varies depending on preparation, typically falling in the moderate range of 55 to 65. This means pumpkin has the potential to cause moderate blood sugar spikes if consumed in larger portions or combined with other carb-heavy foods. Additionally, pumpkin-based products like canned pumpkin pie filling or pumpkin spice lattes often include added sugars, making them even less suitable for blood sugar control. That said, pumpkin does offer several benefits for diabetics when consumed in moderation. Its fiber content helps slow down digestion, reducing the impact of its carbohydrates on blood sugar levels. Plus, its high water content makes it a low-calorie vegetable, which can support weight management, a key factor in diabetes care. For a diabetes-friendly way to enjoy pumpkin, opt for fresh or plain canned pumpkin without added sugars. Use it in savory dishes like soups or roasted as a side dish. Pair it with proteins and healthy fats, such as grilled chicken or olive oil, to balance its glycemic impact. While pumpkin can fit into a diabetic meal plan, portion control and avoiding sugary pumpkin-based products are essential. By keeping servings moderate and combining pumpkin with low-carb foods, you can enjoy its seasonal charm without compromising blood sugar control. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on all your favorite foods. It's about making smarter choices. While some vegetables, like those on this list, can pose challenges, there are plenty of delicious low-carb options that can keep your meals exciting and your blood sugar in check. Think of it as a culinary adventure, discovering new flavors, creative recipes, and healthier ways to enjoy food. So, which vegetable on this list surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And remember, your health journey is all about progress, not perfection. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to stay on top of your health game.